In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open TradingView Pine Editor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to bring it up so you can start exploring or writing scripts with confidence. First, make sure you have a chart open in TradingView. Any symbol will do. From the main TradingView screen, open a chart for a market you're interested in: stocks, crypto, forex, or futures. You can use the search bar at the top of the chart to type a ticker and load it instantly. It doesn't matter which time frame or chart type you choose here. The only goal is to have a standard chart visible on your screen so the Pine tools become available alongside it. Once your chart is open, move your attention to the right side of the chart area. You'll see a vertical strip of icons and panels. Among those, look for the icon that resembles a small pine tree. When you hover over it, it should show a label like Pine or Pine Editor. That pine tree icon is the quick doorway to the Pine Editor. If your TradingView window is very narrow or a panel is collapsed, the icon may be tucked away. Try enlarging the browser window or look for a small handle that lets you expand the right side panel. On very small screens or in some mobile views, the editor may not be available, so it's best to use a desktop browser for this. Now click the Pine Tree icon, or, depending on your layout, click the Pine Editor tab if you see it. As soon as you do, the editor area opens inside your chart workspace. It typically appears as a code panel that docks within the chart layout, often along the bottom or to the side, depending on your configuration. You'll see a text editor where Pine script code can be written or reviewed. If this is your first time opening it, you might see a blank template or a sample script displayed. That's completely normal and simply indicates the editor is ready. At this point, you've successfully opened the Pine Editor. You can read what's in the editor, scroll through any sample code, and get familiar with the layout without making changes. If you ever close it accidentally, just return to the pine tree icon on the right and click again to bring it back. To recap, the flow is simple. Open any chart, look to the right side toolbar for the pine tree icon, and click it to reveal the Pine Editor. With that, you're set to begin exploring Pine script whenever you're ready.